Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on Cardano on December the 7th, just a couple of days ago, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $1.211 mark. And my main assumption was that we have a couple of crucial points that will confirm its next trend. And my main assumption was that we have to land somewhere in between $0.941 mark and $0.818 mark in order to hit this accumulation point with the assumption to hit higher targets of the fifth wave. And guys, take a look right here. We were at $1.211 somewhere at this range, somewhere here. And since I made my previous video, we went lower. And for now, guys, we are scratching the range of support that was established on December the 4th and December the 5th. And I have to admit, guys, that most likely we will break this range because Bitcoin, and let me show you right here, Bitcoin is in its crucial point as well. We are nearing to about $97.8 mark, this previous range that will invalidate the bull, not invalidate, but it will, let's say, open the gates to the lower price action for Bitcoin. This means Bitcoin might land at this accumulation point somewhere in between 90.472 and 87.237. And if it happens, guys, all other coins definitely will be in red. And for now, guys, take a look on your right side. We are deeply in red. A lot of coins lost a substantial amount of its value. And this is the power. This is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer. For now, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, let's take a look again at its price action. Let's switch to Cardano, and here you can see, let's make it like this. Here you can see that we are nearing this range of support. Let me mark it for you. And I think within the next several minutes we will break it to the downside. Let's see, but for now, let me show you some major fundamental updates. So, the total crypto market cap is at $3.59 trillion. It is lower than it was previously by 1.64%. Guys, and in a lot of my previous video, I told you that we are about to see the cool down of crypto market. I have to admit that on a grand scheme of things, potentially, we will continue, we will see the continuation of an uptrend by the end of this year. But for now, guys, for the first, I think, couple or for the first 3 weeks of December, we might see these lower prices for the entire market. And in general, I have to admit that despite the retracement for the entire crypto market, a lot of coins are still in green on a 7-day period. Bitcoin is up by 3.54%. Ethereum is up by 6.88%. And let's take a look at Cardano. It is also up by 2.44%. And I have to admit that the bullishness of this asset, let me switch to daily time frame. The bullishness of this asset shows, as you can see, you can, let me delete all the tools for now. We have clear structure to the upside, a clear impulsive wave with a huge increase in volume. This means most likely right after the retracement, we will have another attempt to hit higher targets. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, According to this scale, we have to see the cooldown of Cardano, and please do not rely on the dates, because I prefer to do technical analysis only on the levels of only on price levels. That is why this retracement might happen not in the beginning of February, but somewhere within the next couple of weeks. And then, guys, this might be accumulation point, after which we might have the next leg to the upside. But let's dive deep into lower time frames. Let me show you that on hourly time frame, as you can see, we are exactly at this range, and I have to admit that right after the top of all waves, only all internal waves of this third wave formed, we have to see the ABC correction. It is the most common correction. On my previous video, I told you that we potentially might have even a triangle in this formation, but for now, guys, it is crystal clear that potentially we have this type of retracement. From this top, we might have, this is as the lowest point, it is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we are forming our C wave. And guys, it is on the micro scale analysis, and this ABC correction might be, let's do some measurement. If I pull the Fib extension tool from this top to this bottom, to the bottom of the A wave, and to the top of the B wave, we have one-to-one extension exactly at $1 mark, $1.022. This means potentially this might be the range of support, but guys, if we zoom out to let's say 3 hours time frame, we can see that I have to admit that potentially this ABC correction might be only a part of a bigger ABC correction, and in this case, right after this bottom, we might have a bounce to the upside that will form, let me show you like this. This might be the A wave, this might be the B wave, and then we might form the bottom of the C wave. Let's upgrade this scale. It is intermediate scale, and if it is the case, guys, this is the blueprint of the price action to the bottom of the fourth wave, and potentially if we form this bottom, if we break first of all the bottom of A wave on a smaller scale at $1.16, and I have to admit that we are pretty much, we broke it. Yes, guys, I think we broke it. Wait a second, let's zoom in where we are on the price chart. Yes, so we broke it to the downside. This means we pretty much confirmed this movement, and I have to say that we are forming the C wave on a smaller scale. Then, guys, somewhere here at $1 mark, we might have a bounce to the upside that will start in the shape of again 3-wave structure to the B wave. And then we have to have 5 waves to the downside to the C wave. And this might happen by the end of December. And then, guys, we have to see another leg to the upside, because on the grand scheme of things, as I already mentioned, the price targets are extremely high for Cardano. It is at $1.668 as a primary target for the top of the fifth wave, and it will be only the top of the third wave on a bigger scale from this bottom to this top. And then, guys, we will have another attempt, basically another possibility to re-enter long position to catch the fifth wave on a bigger scale. And I have to admit that I don't like to project these price targets that it will hit $2.5, $3 mark, $5 mark, or even higher, because it is just a speculations. When I see these pivotal points, I will do a projection. But for now, guys, from its potential accumulation point at $0.844, we might have to the first price target up to 90% of potential profit, and it will happen within next several weeks to 2 months at most. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.